This is Olivia riding the new TrikeZilla bike to trike carriage kit. It has a 300-pound weight capacity, and you can install it onto any bike in about 10 minutes. All the tools come with to do just that. This bike has a backrest and seat straps and pretty much all set up for any kind of special needs use. You can find out more information on this bike at www.bigtricycle.com or at TrikeZilla.com. It's important that you buy a bicycle that has one handbrake in the front. See how easy that pedals around. This is a single-speed bicycle, and I can ship these pretty much any place in the world. So again, www.TrikeZilla.com, and thanks for watching. Bye.